Alright, so I'm here with my last layout, and my background is basil cardstock. My floral layer is Cartabella Summer Market. The red polka dot layer is, and the washi tape is just from my stash. Pattern is just a scrap. And of course I forget I'm recording and I get on my phone. And that star pattern is scraps, because I'm trying to use up some scraps. Where's my pencil that I use? Let me erase this.
I forgot what I don't know how it was.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
Don't know what it's for.
Okay, so thank goodness this video is quick because I have 4 minutes to my class at 4 o'clock. And this video is 4 minutes and 18 seconds. So the card is cut from Heidi Swap. Sorry. And that'd be nice. I totally forgot to put that on my layout. Hello there. So, I'm using stickers from Cartabella Summer Market. The chipboard sticker is Maggie Home Sweet Story. The die cuts are Maggie Home Sweet Story. Ducky in the is Pink Fresh Studio Super Cool. And Sunshine and the shapes are American Crafts Flutter stickers. And then Hello is American Crafts Hello stickers. Oh, I ended up putting that above my photo mats and not below it, because my stepson messed it up. Wait a minute, I had hello on. I think I stuck that to the wrong layout.
Hey, Airheads Cherry Virgin.
Oh no, I didn't.
Airheads Cherry Virgin. Oh, I see it. Yeah.
And the tag.
Oh, I have one with my dip.
Ooh, fun dip. I think I left mine at school.
Like, hardly any, but still some.
You haven't even opened it.
I know.
That means it's all there, silly. And why is this in here?
All of that? Oh.
Yeah, this doesn't belong in here. That's not mine. None of that is mine.
Okay.
Alright, so that completes my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.